What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a return subscriber, what's up? Alrighty, guys. So in today's video, I did go ahead and install this Auburn Kinky wig, and it was just giving, y'all. I went out that night, and I got so many compliments. Look at me. Period.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
Alrighty, guys, so today's video is sponsored by Klaiyi hair. They did go ahead and send me a whole bunch of goodies: elastic bands, lashes. They sent me wig caps, everything, girl. Okay, makeup brushes, all of that. So today's star of the show is this kinky curly wig. All the details will be linked down below in the description box, but let's just jump straight into the video. First things first, I was feeling myself. Okay, I didn't know if I wanted a side part, a middle part, a bang, like, period. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I did go ahead and pluck her off camera, and she just plucked so seamlessly and so easily. I didn't tack down my wig cap today. Today I just threw it on, but I am going to go ahead and take my cream foundation from Ruby Kiss, put that all over the cap and the lace, and now we're going to go in with my Ghost Bond glue. Ghost Bond is my favorite glue, hands down. $20 lasts you a long time, and it's going to give you a meltdown. So definitely invest in that. I'm going to do a thin layer and spread that out on the perimeter of my forehead. Dry that down with my Amazon blow dryer that's in my Amazon storefront. If you want to get it, it's so cute, and it has no blades. Like, I don't even know how it works. But yeah, I'm gonna do 2 layers of glue today because I need my wig to stay. As y'all saw, we went outside, so we don't need no slip back, no none of that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead, place this wig right in front of my natural hairline. Okay, in front of the natural hairline. Y'all, look at my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows, y'all. I literally got a facelift. Oh my god, but I love a wig facelift. Comment down below if you like the facelift that wigs give you, because I love it. Okay, so I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just pushing the lace down with the comb. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this hair is so thick, it's giving 200 density. I'm not sure exactly how much density is. It will be on the screen and down below. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, put it up. We're going to tie my hair down for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to cut off the excess lace with a sharp scissor. I do like using a scissor now. I bounce from scissor to razor. It's up to you and how you feel. But today I'm feeling very scissor. I'm feeling like I want to cut it off like a bad habit, okay? So I'm just cutting it. And I did go ahead and cut out my excess tabs as well. Alrighty, guys, next up, I'm going to go ahead and take my Super Hold Spritz. This is a trick that I got from TikTok, and it changed my life. When I say this meltdown is serious, you have to get a small bottle of spritz. You don't even need the big bottle. Just get the small bottle, spray your lace down, then put the elastic band back over it. Dry that down, let that sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, and girl, you're going to see the difference. So here is another hack to get your wigs to just give, period. So you want to hot comb your hair with no product at first. You want to take your time and hot comb the hair with no product. Get the lace nice and, well, not the lace, but get the hair nice and flat and smooth. And then you want to go ahead and take a wax stick. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite wax stick is from She's Bomb. I love this wax stick. I did try other ones, but with other ones, they come out very greasy. She's Bomb is not greasy. It just gives a nice hold and a nice sheen, but no greasy, like, weighing your hair down kind of vibe. So I love that. That technique is going to show you a big difference. Okay, so this is the hair in the middle part, but I did go ahead and want to change it into a side part. So this is what the wig is looking like. I did go ahead and take out 4 edges, so we did 2 on each side today. And y'all, that's how I knew this wig was just high quality and just worth everything, because it was so easy to install. Like, the lace just melted so perfectly, it cut so perfectly, wasn't getting any lifting, any stubborn lace, none of it. The edges came out so beautiful. Like, this wig is literally the truth. Like, literally the truth. If you're into that kinky afro kind of vibe, definitely check the link in my bio, because this wig is so freaking bomb. So I am going to go ahead and take the Got to Be Glue gel, and I'm just going to do a C-shaped motion and just, you know, kind of just push this edge right back into the hairline. And it's just giving. It's just going to give. Like, yeah, I look so angry, but I'm just focusing right now. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and just define the curls. In this water, I did add a little bit of Aussie's coconut conditioner. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray down this side. So you can wear the hair big and it's big afro, but I want to show you guys what it looks like when you define it. The curls are so beautiful, like so juicy, so defined. Like, all you need is a little bit of water and conditioner, and then a wide tooth comb. And I'm going to show you guys the comparison. Y'all, look at those curls. This wig is, I believe, 20 inches long. Look at the difference. Like, both of them was really cute. Like, both of it was giving. It's definitely up to you what vibe you're going for. But I did go ahead and define my part with a little bit of that foundation. And yeah, this is what the wig is giving. This wig is so bomb. It's so gorgeous. I had a ball in this wig. Guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be down below in the description box. Give this video a big thumbs up and join the team like Nike by subscribing to the channel. Love you guys so much. Bye.